Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Red Lobster, Dining and Rewards app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Red Lobster app is designed for seafood lovers who want to make dining and ordering more convenient while earning rewards along the way. Available on both iOS and Android, the app lets users browse the full Red Lobster menu, place to go or delivery orders, and manage their My Red Lobster Rewards membership directly from their phone. It's an all-in-one platform for online ordering, table reservations, and reward tracking. The main highlight of the app is the My Red Lobster Rewards program, which allows users to earn points for every dine-in or online order. These points can be redeemed for free menu items, exclusive offers, and birthday rewards. The app also gives access to limited-time promotions, seasonal menus, and the latest restaurant updates. Users can even join the waitlist remotely at participating locations to skip long waits. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's smooth layout, accurate order tracking, and easy reward redemption. The integration with the reward system makes it especially valuable for frequent diners, while push notifications ensure you never miss out on deals. However, a few users have reported occasional login issues or delays in reward updates after dining in. Some have also mentioned that the delivery experience can vary depending on third-party partners. In summary, the Red Lobster, Dining and Rewards app may be worth using if you frequently dine at Red Lobster and want to save money through points, birthday treats, and special offers. However, if you rarely visit or prefer placing orders over the phone, the app's benefits might be less significant. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.